Hey family, hey friends, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are making flatbread, and here I have my mixer. I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. I'm adding 4 cups of flour. See, I don't have to sieve it or anything, and the reason why I know it's 4 cups, it's because the measuring cup is already in the flour and I just used 4 of it. Usually I don't use measurements. I'll try to do better if requested, but as for right now, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm making a hollow here into the middle of the flour, and in here is where I'm gonna add all my ingredients. All right, so if you are watching and you haven't yet subscribed, please use this time right here just to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss any uploads going forward. All right, please and thank you. All right, let's add the ingredients. Here I have some olive oil. All right, I have some Italian herb, like a mixture of herbs. I got some garlic powder and some salt. Also, I'm adding sugar, brown cane sugar, any sugar will do, I guess, and some whole milk. I'm gonna lower the head on my mixer. As you can see, I had the hook attachment to it, so that's what I have right there, and I'm just gonna mix it until it comes together while I gradually add milk. So this is just a close-up look. Oh my god, isn't that satisfying, guys? So after it's done kneading, this is what it should look like. It shouldn't be sticky. It shouldn't be sticking to the bowl. It shouldn't be sticking to your hook. Then it shouldn't be sticking to a knife. This is what we're looking for, okay? I'm gonna lightly flour my dough, and I'm gonna sit it to the side for approximately 15 minutes. Guys, you can even do this overnight, okay? So here I'm placing it in a bag. You don't have to put it in a bag. You can just cover it over with a lid and set it aside. Now it's time to clean our surface. So here I'm cleaning it with a commercial grade cleaner. You can use a little bleach or whatever you use to clean your surface. Just make sure that it is safe enough for you to form your dough and for you to eat, okay? Just be mindful of that. I have some flour again. I'm just dusting my surface. Guys, it's a lot of flour, it look like right there, right? But trust the process. Based on the amount of dough that I have, I'm gonna need all that flour. Now look at this dough. Oh my goodness. Now it's time to form some small balls and set them to the side. Here I was just playing with the dough. I felt like a kid with a putty dough, right? But anywho, let's form these balls and get into the next stage of preparing our flatbread. A little flour. I'm gonna rub it over my board, my rolling pin. It helps it glide smoothly. It's too much flour. Smoothly over the surface. I'm gonna roll mine thin. All right, enough of that. Let's do the let's get some oil into a bowl, or here I have a cup. I'm pouring some olive oil. What this oil is gonna do is it's gonna coat our dough, and I'm also gonna use it to add oil to the flat pan that's on the stove. Guys, in the past I also used a griddle, so don't get too, oh my gosh, if you don't have one of those flat pans. You can use your griddle, you can use a frying pan. Just know how to gauge the stove. You don't want the oil to be burning, and you also don't want the dough to fry too fast, right? Because it will be burnt. You just want to have it. I started off at level 3, or right before medium. You don't want it to be smoking hot, right? Nice and calm. Easy does it. It takes time. It takes patience. But trust me, we'll get through this together. So I added the dough that I flattened. I brushed it with oil, and I added to my flat pan, as you can see. Now let's look closer. Yay, we did that. Come on now. Look at the bubble. Look at the bubble, guys. That is a good sign that we are heading in the right direction. Okay. Nice. Nice and beautiful. I'm gonna use this dinner knife to kind of check under. You see it has that brown to it. That's perfect time to flip it over and to cook the other side. Look how beautiful that is looking, guys. I could eat that right off the camera all over again. Then anywho, let's continue. Yes, I'm just gonna allow the other side to cook. Right? Then we move that over to our little dish that's on the side. I can't wait for y'all to try this and to comment in the box below and let me know the outcome of your experience, okay? Alright, so I'm just adding some more oil to the flat pan. You want to make sure that it is greased at all times. This will keep it from burning. It'll keep it from drying out and sticking to the pan, you know, just stuff like that. That was my second piece, guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just do all the other balls I have sitting at the side. I should say doughs I have sitting at the side. I'm just gonna do the same process until I'm finished. Guys, this is what it looks like, the finished product. Oh my goodness, guys. I went ahead and I served this with some potato choka that I made. And look at that, guys. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. And thank you so much for watching.